मुंबई में 16 ज्वेलर्स की ओपनिंग हुआ, जहां पे बॉलीवुड सितारे टेलीविजन सितारे आए और उन्होंने काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस किए और लोगों से भी अपील की नया इंडियन ब्रांड जो है इन्हें आप एक बार
आपका लेफ्ट
जरूर
में, हाँ यहाँ
खरीदिए
पे
और इस्तेमाल
अभी सही है।
कीजिए, जिसमें बिग बॉस फेम औरा श्वेता सिद्धार्थ काफ़ी सारे हस्तियाँ आए थे, बहुत एक्साइटमेंट थे। और क्या क्या हुआ हम लोग मिलकर जानते हैं
थैंक यू।
क्या होगा। और
या शंकर की तरफ। या थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Aura. I think I say what everyone. Thank you so much. And may I just say, you look
एक मिनट इधर
amazing.
देखो।
And what I'm going to tell you is, again, it is such an amazing gift to give, like to your brother, your father, or your boyfriend, because you can add your emotions in it and send it. Not only just work-wise, they definitely work-wise it is great, because we can easily send our portfolios or we can send our Insta handles. But also at the same time, we can share it with our family members and friends and give them a sweet message, which would be a great surprise. And I think it's a very cute, emotional, at the same time very work-friendly gift that we can give. So I think it's great. And I know your mom started with 16 jewelries, which is amazing, because that's why you kept the name Solar Jewels. And I think with mom's blessing, everything goes wonderful. So I wish you all the very best, and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Siddhant. I think this is a path-breaking and a very unique initiative that you brought to life. I was discussing earlier that a few years back I was discussing with some of my friends in a coffee shop about some interesting ways in which you can exchange communication cards, and we are mostly sitting and exchanging cards or sharing details, but it's difficult to remember, as you were saying, right? And if there's a way that we can exchange it through bands or rings. And we were thinking about it over a coffee shop, and now today, a few years later, I see it live coming, and it was something I did not expect. And first time in India, so real kudos to you to launch this innovative product. I think bringing.
So, I personally think what Siddharth also said is correct, where it's so easy these days to do so many things with technology, and adding technology to jewelry is such a huge breakout for people to get in and wear rings, wear bracelets. I personally used to wear a lot of rings and bracelets, where now I've lost all of them. So that's my problem, and I think with this, I think if I wear a bracelet or a ring, I'm going to be pretty sure that first of all it's expensive. Second of all, yeah, it has NFC, so whatever my contact or whatever I'm adding is going to go out to people. But it's a great initiative, and I personally believe. For all the single guys and girls out there, when they go out partying, when they think, how do I get in touch with that girl or guy? It's going to be very easy for them to like, oh, hey babe, let me just tap on your phone, that's all. And you wear your contact. So it's going to work out well for all the age groups, and that's something what the gap in market is. And you've targeted all of them, starting from us to you, to them, and to the media, and to everybody out here. So congratulations.
एक मिनट, आपका हक है। क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
Hello everyone. Good
Hello,
afternoon.
hello.
And I'm super thrilled because this makes your life so easy. Like it's a ring to your brother or your dad or your boyfriend, whoever you want to, and it's such a beautiful way of expressing your emotions, and also at the same time it is damn useful for people like us who have to share our sometime Instagram accounts or about a profile or something. So it's so easy, you just tap it, and also at the same time it's very secure, because you have to allow it, right? That's what you told me, that you need to give a permission to accept it. So it is again very safe, and I think it's a damn good thing done, which we all need right now. So thank you so much, and wish you all the very best. Thank you.